What's up, y'all? And I'm back with another tutorial from Main Concept AFRINAPTURAL. We're doing the 3-time Ivy box braids 32-inch. So let's get into it. I'm braiding right now, doing my famous little braid pattern, leaving some out on the outside so it look natural in the front. I'm going to show you every little step, so stay tuned. Yeah, so this is the back. Getting ready to do the front using my famous edge control. Link will be in the description below so you can purchase that. Best edge control ever. And this is a method I use, just showing you guys how to make it look like an individual box braid without doing an actual box braid so it matches the rest of the hair. Alright, you guys, this is the final look. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.